Well, this is how you build a greenhouse for $25. I salvaged these big bay windows out of the alleyway about 5 years ago, 6 years ago. I was like, those would make such nice greenhouse windows. It's a bit narrow, but I had the plastic in the garage, so let's go inside and see what it looks like. It took me about 3 hours. I was pretty excited about doing it. I pinned down the bars here with like 4-foot driven pipes so that they're holding up this part, and I tied it originally to the wall. Now here we are inside. We got our gauge and we've got our cutouts for wind. When it gets super windy out, it will be able to flow a little air, because it could get quite windy in Vancouver at times. So here we got the Tangelo, the Pearl Tangelo, as I mentioned. So it's at 10 Celsius now, about 9 or 10, about the lowest you want these to go. And I've got that lemon tree out here as well. I didn't want to bring out any of the bigger trees right now. Here's the fig trees, which seem to be happy and have lots of leaves. So we've got 3 different types of figs there, 1, 2, 3. And then we've got this fig here as well, which is a special fig. I can't really remember their names. We'll have to wait till we have fruit. Got them mixed up, but they are very, very nice varieties. And we'll get another 4 plants in here probably. Here's the goji berry tree at the back. It's a very durable tree, so I just thought I'd put it there instead of a delicate tree with leaves that will fall off. It should start going in about a couple of weeks, I guess. And we'll be able to fit a small table in here. And we'll put a small table here and put 1, 2, 3 big plants here, so I have a little bit of scoot room. And then we'll put one there. And I'm going to water it. I'm going to put a solar cell out here, 100-watt solar cell. And I'm going to put it on this window, or I'm going to put it on the back window, because it has a white back, so it won't be seen as a solar cell from the back, and quite could be stolen here if somebody snuck up. So I'll probably use that, and then I'll use 12 volts. And I've got a fan already installed in the ceiling and a small solar cell. And that's not turning, so there's not enough power outside right now. But I'll put a wiring system here with a tube with my pump into my green reservoir box there, right there, yeah. And have that pump turned on when the sun is at its hottest, so that the mister goes on. And then the mister will be placed up here, and we'll be able to have it misting when it's really, really bright out. It will mist the most, and then when it's not as sunny out, it'll stop misting, and the fan will stop, so that we'll retain some heat. So we'll see how that works. I've got all the wiring done. It's just pouring rain out today, or raining, and I don't want to bring out electronics right now until I can get them in here dry. So, emergency backup shelter on the front lawn. It's the economy, dummy. So there you go. It turned out okay, actually. Pretty hard to put that plastic on in a round form. Have a good day, guys.